So the backhoe that we ordered or requested Thursday just came today. Supposed to be yesterday, but the truck broke down somewhere here in Bohol. And anyway, we're having a hard time to get in because of the wire. See that wire? This wire here. This wire from the LGU for the Christmas tree lantern was in didn't took down yet, so they're having a hard time with that one. The breaker. Sigo ba? Ah! Oh.
Jackhammer here for maybe 45 minutes at the most, and he left and he went to get a new breaker. Even the stone on this big heavy equipment is too much. So they had to go get a different breaker. I don't know if they broke the first one or they just got a bigger one or what the deal is. So they just came back with a new breaker. Now they're switching it out, and then they'll start working again maybe. The one they were using, the point isn't quite as pointy as it used to be. It's a little rounded off on the bottom. And the dumb wires from the Christmas decorations are in the way of everything.
Oh, motorcycle bug mo.
I think you might have parked it at a bad spot for the day though.
And still brand new. They didn't even have a registered number yet.
So we can walk back here and look at the big stones that they created from earlier for the 45 minutes they were working, or half hour, whatever it may be. It definitely makes bigger pieces of stone than my guys manually with a jackhammer. But nobody can pick that up and load it on the truck, so they'll have to break them a little bit smaller. So that's the hole that he's been working on, and he took some off the edge of that bank to begin with. My guys struggle with that, trying to shear it down straight. It's very hard to do. And all the garbage that's up there from people's landfill before it came down in here, more garbage to deal with again. And here's the last hole that the guys are working on right now, right beside our house. They're almost there. Another about another foot and they'll be down to the 5-foot depth. And then this Trackhoe has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total he's going to dig. He already started this one a little while ago, but he's struggling. It's just turning the stone into powder so hard. So hopefully with this new breaker that they got, it'll be a little more efficient. So we'll see what happens. Can't wait till all this digging is done and we can start pouring concrete and setting posts. Since we got some of the rebar here and another 150 pieces coming later today or early tomorrow. So this is the part I don't like. I'm spending too much money now and no progress on anything. So that's it for now. Let's see how this goes with the new one. Okay, so we've had this excavator here running for 5 hours a day trying to dig footer holes. The footer holes need to be 5 feet by 5 feet by 5 feet. So for 5 hours, this guy's been here trying to dig a 5 foot by 5 foot by 5 foot hole. And this is his progress after 5 hours. Now, our workers had this hole already started. Probably were about 9 to 10 inches deep already in this hole before he started. And that rock is so hard he cannot chisel it. It just keeps sliding off of that rock. But he's about 5.5 feet deep, and the hole is 6 foot by 6 foot square. So tomorrow, hopefully, just dig out the loose stuff in the bottom, and this hole will be done. Whoa, slippery there. But I think it's more cost effective to have physical workers do it with jackhammers than to pay that Trackhoe. But we're running out of time, and we want to start building. And that's the reason we got this thing here. Plus, we're away from the house now, and it vibrates something like you wouldn't believe how bad it vibrates inside, because everything here is solid stone. So, but that's the progress after 5 hours. It's not as much as I thought would be done.
Yeah.
I was hoping to get 2 holes done in 5 hours, but he got 1. Right, Gray? He got 1.
And that is expensive per hour.
Yeah. Excuse me. I think it's more cost effective to have physical labor do it with a jackhammer, which I know you wouldn't think so, but this stone is so hard. It's crazy. And I know the operator of the Trackhoe was getting very frustrated because he can't get through that stone, and he's tried and tried and tried, and so dusty here today. That's why my voice is like it is, because it's so incredibly dusty from that thing running. We get dust inside the house from that thing running, and I just cleaned the outside of our split unit aircon the other day, and it's already all white, so I gotta take and clean that again. But that's our progress after 1 day. I'm hoping maybe tomorrow he can get 2 or possibly 3 holes done. I'm very hopeful, yeah, but we'll see what happens. I'll be happy if he gets 2 holes done in 1 day, because it is a very, very expensive doing it this way. And we got 2 shipments of rebar now, and our steel guys are coming tomorrow to start cutting and bending rebar for the footers and making rings for our columns. So hopefully things will start moving along quickly now. So that's our update for the day on the Trackhoe with the breaker. Have a wonderful day.